Hey guys, in this video I will unbox the Amazon Basics 21 liter vacuum cleaner with steel drum. Yes, this is the steel drum version. There's also one other version from Amazon Basics जिसमें प्लास्टिक मतलब completely वो प्लास्टिक है, उसमें ड्रम स्टील का नहीं है. As you can see, the MRP is 8,500, but the current price is around 5,219 rupees, and I bought it in sale, Great Indian Festival sale, for around 4,700 plus bank discounts. So now I will unbox this vacuum cleaner. So let's do the unboxing. Now let's open it with a knife. So this is after we opened it. This is the user manual. Okay, let's keep it on side. This is the power cord. It is not retractable. You have to find it on the vacuum cleaner. So these are the wheels. These look like these are the wheels. This is the hose pipe. You can see this is the hose pipe. Let's put it aside. These are some extension pipes. There are 2 extension pipes in this box with this vacuum cleaner. These are the 2 extension pipes. Other things. Okay, so this is another attachment. So there are many attachments. This is one of them. I guess this is especially for wet cleaning, and there's also a replacement for the cleaner. Other things. Now let's take it out. Let's check what else comes inside. Nothing else. Okay, let's take the polythene out. Okay, this is how it is. I'll give you a look. You can see I have to attach the wheels. Attachments need to be made. So some accessories are also inside this vacuum cleaner, so I have to open it, and then we'll see what else comes inside. Okay, so this is the HEPA filter, I guess, or normal filter, I don't know exactly. This comes here like this. Let's put it on the side. Now this is the washable dust bag. It is long, and I guess it is, the capacity of this dust bag is 3 liters. We'll check it later as well. This is the main attachment to clean the hard floor. We'll open it later. These are some other attachments, as well as there are 2 wheels for the vacuum cleaner to move. This one is for crevices. This is for upholstery, and I don't know the exact use of this one, but these comes as well with this vacuum cleaner. So this is the vacuum cleaner. As you can see, steel drum. This is for handling it. the Amazon Basics branding. So it is on two sides, I guess. Two sides. Branding is on two sides of it. Here drum is written. So guys, this is the unboxing. Now let me pause and remove all the plastic sheets from all these accessories. So these are all the accessories and the vacuum cleaner. Now I will remove the plastic sheets. So this is the complete vacuum cleaner, and these are all the accessories that come with it. I will tell you one by one what is the purpose of what. So this is the hose pipe. This is flexible, so if you are wondering or thinking that only this can be used to clean, no, you must use these extension pipes because this is not bendable, but it is very much needed as well. These are the very must accessories that make the vacuum cleaner functional well. Okay, so this is the hard floor brush. So it has a button. So if you press it, like you can see there are two icons. If you press it like this, then it can be used for tiles and wooden flooring. And if you press it now, this can be used for rugs and carpets. This is the hard floor brush. Now as you can see, this is the wet floor brush. Sorry, this is the wet floor brush accessory which can be mounted on this brush. So this is for, I guess, dry floor brush. I mean dry floors. This accessory is for dry floors, and it can be mounted on it so that you can also clean wet floors. Okay, and then this is furniture nozzle. You can clean sofas and all these car seats. So this can be used for upholstery. Now this is what is this? I have to check. So this is dusting brush. Okay, you can just move it. It can be movable. Let me still tell you. Yes, so it can be moved like this. Here and then. So yeah, this is suction nozzle. This is used for hard to reach floors and corners and lines between tiles and all. This is very useful. These are the tires for the back of the vacuum cleaner, and these fit under the vacuum cleaner. These four wheels make the vacuum cleaner movable, and as I told you, this is the dust bag. And after it is full, you can open it like this. So yes, it can be open like this, like we open files and all, and then it can be closed. This fits inside the vacuum cleaner. So these are all the accessories, and I told you about all of them. Actually, I am also a first timer. I'm using vacuum cleaner for the first time. So I told you all this information using this user manual that comes with the vacuum cleaner inside the box. And it's very well written. You can read it, and it will be very then easy for you to operate this vacuum cleaner. So guys, this is the vacuum cleaner, and I told you then I've unboxed this and told you what comes. And now I want to tell you one thing. There are very small dents, if you can see, little bits dents, if you can see inside, but that doesn't make a big deal, but you can see there are some dents. So let me tell you one thing. This is a replacement vacuum cleaner, so I got it around 5 to 7 days back, but it had so many dents, so I created a return request, and then it was a replacement vacuum cleaner. So it also has dents, but these are very small dents, so that doesn't make a big deal with this. So now this is all. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.